This is a pretty big panini maker. Oh. Oh, that's satisfying.
I like the cheese that we got last time.
One time, my mom got us these things. It's like white cheddar snowballs, and they were like the Utz cheese
Oh my
balls.
god, those are good.
But they were white cheddar. They were disgusting.
Those are good.
I ate one and I literally vomited it back. It smells bad.
It does?
It smells like cheese.
The cheese just smelled like cheese.
But
Oh yeah. That smells normal.
I'm thinking about this cheese.
That slice.
This cheese.
Here, spread out.
Ow, it's the
Take that
water's
off.
hot.
There.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
Here, get plate.
Oh, I just got it all.
Home banana, squish banana, home buddy, put the
You want more cheese?
Right?
What?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I don't want too much cheese.
Oh, with my cheese.
Okay.
What if we put?
Two. Wait, we can split this one in half and then put this one in the middle and then put each of them on the sides.
This is the cheese, Patrick. This is the cheese. Well, no, this one is more better, but I don't know. This is the cheese.
The great almighty cheese! So, we can put this one in the middle and then cut this in half to put on each side.
For toast, but good enough to make again.
Really?
Yo, yeah. So I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to go.
Oh, okay.
I don't fit.
Never let go. I got Parker-sized plate.
Parker-sized plate.
No.
What's in the back of the fridge? These
When
are
you-
the best.
When you find those packages from
Dip and
like
squeeze.
the side places in New York.
These are the best.
Yeah.
Smells like-
Parker, put your butter on that.
Just estimate it.
You have to like drizzle the butter on it so it gets a good amount.
Wait.
Mom,
Microwave.
Pam on the.
It's Pam.
Just a tiny bit.
On both top and bottom.
Don't put it on the bread.
Doesn't matter, it's just butter.
Yeah, it's butter.
That's butter?
Yeah, this is just sprayed butter.
Oh, well, I didn't know that.
What would you think was in it?
I don't know. I thought it was something to clean the.
That makes sense.
But then we'll die from it if there's like a chemical in it.
When you wait for it to dry,
Air's a chemical.
What?
Air's a chemical.
yeah, you would die. You breathe in all the other things, but you die.
I don't really know if I'm doing this correctly.
I think the bread goes. I mean, I think the cheese goes on the inside.
What?
I'm gonna take this off and then boom.
Wait, why is it actually a smart
I
idea?
think-
You have to wait.
Oh wait, butter.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Did you put it in the microwave?
Yeah, I did.
Hey, Mom.
I know that's
what you
That's
did.
literally glass.
That?
That's actually clay.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yes. You did this in 3rd grade.
Oh yeah, we made mugs in 3rd grade, and mine turned out horrible, and I never got to bring it home.
Mine turned out awesome, and I took it home.
Ow, that was hot.
You want a chocolate? You want a chocolate, Bernie? There's a lot of milk left. There's a lot of water left.
It's not closing all the way, so I'm just gonna hold it.
You have to hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Just don't compress
Parker,
it.
watch out.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm the diner, but I'm also a critic.
I need a...
Critic. You're the critic from Ratatouille.
I was gonna say.
Is there hot chocolate?
This
what's
is
the
good.
No, I mean, is there chocolate
No.
syrup?
Franny, what's the food critic?
Well, you want to like toast it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Franny, what's the food critic's name? You know everything.
Ego.
Brain,
Ego, Parker,
chocolate
your
syrup.
ego.
Yeah, just make sure the cheese is melting into it.
Cheese.
Is there chocolate?
Not
Thank
melting
God.
like,
Oh my God.
not melting like liquidy, but
What
it's
the
like
heck?
a nice blend.
Yeah. It's starting to make boiling noises. Is this
It smells like the butter chocolate.
nice?
No.
No, we can't use that.
Well, that smells like burnt, but it's not.
I'm not gonna use that one.
Wait, what'd you say you wanted?
Chicken fries.
Okay, that's it.
The microwave is so stupid, Farrah. Don't do it.
Let's give this a try.
Make me,
Holy.
just a couple,
It
chicken
looks like
fries
you're making
and this,
pancakes.
Ready? Make me a couple of chicken fries and
Patrick, what did you do?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Do you want me to make it warmer?
No.
Well, I didn't do anything.
What do you mean? What did you do?
Make me chicken fries and this.
It's like the hills from Super Mario.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, I know.
It's supposed to look like
It's
That-
not supposed to be like that.
Mommy, please,
What?
can you
It
do
doesn't make any sense.
Ask Bernie.
You want me to make it like more dark?
No, it's fine. Well,
Oh.
it is a bit light.
Dude, I can make it more. I'll do that.
You don't want to burn it though.
Are you sure about
I know,
that?
that's why I stopped.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
I'll try a little more.
I already asked her.
She said.
She said no.
Why did her?
Chicken fries. Well,
Oh, okay.
what
Oh.
did you do?
Oh my God!
Is it on fire?
No, it's not on fire.
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
No, it's not. It's not like it's gonna explode. For God's sakes.
Yeah, I know.
I'm trying to get Misty.
I would have killed you. If it didn't set right here, I would kill you.
I've never done this before.
Got a spatula.
Yeah, neither have
Oh.
I. My mom always does it. It smells really funky. But
Is it because of the cheese that we use?
maybe, well, it's not the cheese. Well, obviously, the cheese did that. Wow! It's not like if
Here,
we
where's that
use-
knife?
whatever.
It's not oatmeal.
Parker.
Let's
Food.
lose
Hold
that
up!
food.
Don't drink it. Don't eat it yet. Get a drink.
No, I don't need a drink. Bro, this feels like a Lego brick.
Now I'm actually gonna make a grilled cheese now.
Good job.
Really?
Actually, really good job.
Yes. Fist. Fist.
This is so good.
Dude, and you can bite like a lot of it.
I'm
It's, like,
making
flat.
this with the end piece.
You could make like, you could connect
I
Lego
can't
bricks
believe
to
none
this.
of you like.
Imagine you
the
guys
end
have to make like
piece.
5
You
more of
guys
them.
are
It's just like 5 high.
Dumbos.
Oh my god, we didn't use the end pieces. That means we don't like them. Sin.
This ball wants some.
Oh yeah, man.
You
She's
took out
hairy.
like 8 pieces of bread and just like didn't even
I'm
break up
trying
the
to
piece.
get
Oh,
the
hold up! I have an idea. I heard something yaller down here. Yeah, that's a word.
Really?
No. You yollered. It's not a word, but I'm gonna say it. He yollered.
When you look up
Brian wants some.
Oh. When you look up Maddie, the definition.